Welcome to our thorough analysis of Clockify, the time tracking software. Clockify is a web-based solution that allows teams and individuals to track the time they spend on various tasks and projects. It's designed for businesses of all sizes, from freelancers to large enterprises. With Clockify, you can accurately track your work hours, bill clients, and measure productivity. It operates on a freemium model with both free and paid plans available. Clockify boasts a number of key features. It offers time tracking, project and task tracking, and reporting. You can manually track time or use the timer and categorize by project, client, or task. It also has a team management feature where you can see who's working on what in real time. Clockify also integrates with many other tools you might use like Trello, Asana, and Jira. Plus, its API allows for further customization and integration. Let's talk about pricing. Clockify operates on a freemium model. The free version is quite robust, offering unlimited tracking, users, and projects. For more advanced features, there are 3 paid plans, Plus, Premium, and Enterprise. Plus is $9.99 per month, Premium is $29.99 per month, and Enterprise is $9.99 per user per month. Each tier adds additional features, like project templates, time audits, and priority support. Clockify is ideal for a range of use cases. Freelancers can use it to accurately bill clients, and teams can use it to track project progress and productivity. It's also useful for remote teams, as it allows managers to see who's working on what in real time. Plus, its integration with other tools means it can fit seamlessly into your existing workflow. It's a versatile tool, suitable for many different kinds of work. There are many advantages to using Clockify. With its robust free version, even small teams or individuals can benefit from accurate time tracking. The ability to categorize by project, task, and client makes it easy to see where your time is going. Its integrations and API mean it can work with your existing tools and processes, plus the paid plans offer advanced features for those who need them. However, Clockify does have some limitations. Some users find the interface not as intuitive as it could be, and the mobile app could use some improvement. While the free version is robust, the jump in price to the paid plans can be steep for small businesses. Also, while it does integrate with many tools, if you use a tool it doesn't support, you may be out of luck. To conclude, Clockify is a versatile time tracking tool with a robust free version and useful features in its paid plans. It's ideal for a range of use cases, from freelancers to large teams. However, its interface could be more intuitive, and the jump in price for advanced features may be steep for some. Nevertheless, for many, the benefits of accurate time tracking and productivity measurement will outweigh these drawbacks. Thank you for watching our analysis of Clockify. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more software reviews and tutorials. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you learn more about the tools that can make your work easier.